Hi, my name is Haley Driggers, and today I'm presenting my final project about AI for emotional regulation and mental health support. This chatbot was developed to explore how AI systems can simulate emotional regulation strategies used in cognitive behavioral therapy to assist users in managing their emotions. This project is motivated by two main issues: the accessibility gap in mental health services, and also the rising potential for AI driven tools to provide cost effective support, specifically for mental health care. AI chatbots offer a way to bridge these gaps, offering empathetic and therapeutic interactions to users. This model has three main components: emotion detection for the ability to interpret users' emotions from text input, a conversationalist chatbot to speak dynamically with users and have conversations to simulate a therapy conversation session. Responses are supposed to be empathetic based on these detected emotions. And also CBT strategy suggestions that offer strategies like cognitive reappraisal or distraction, also based on the user's emotional state. To build the chatbot, I used several key components. A Distilbert model, which is a fine-tuned sentiment analysis model. This classifies users' emotions as positive, negative, or neutral. A conversational engine, which is Dialogue GPT, which is a NLP model used to generate conversations. And then the chatbot uses predefined CBT responses mapped to the detected emotion, and these components were integrated with cognitive science principles like emotion recognition, reappraisal, and contextual understanding to create an effective conversational agent. As for the results, the chatbot shows promising results. Although not perfect, it can accurately detect emotions in about 85% of test cases, distinguishing positive, negative, and neutral inputs. The conversational engine successfully generates contextually appropriate responses in most of the interactions. However, there were some challenges, such as illogical responses that the chatbot gave back. An example of the interaction could potentially be if the user inputs, "I'm so excited about my new job," the chatbot would respond with the detective emotion positive, a CBT strategy such as "take a moment to celebrate this feeling," and then an encouraging response to continue the flow of the conversation. And as for the flow of the chatbot, you see here the user provides input. The detective emotion maps to a predefined CBT strategy. The conversational engine uses both the user input and emotional context to generate a dynamic response that should be empathetic as well. And then finally, the chatbot delivers all these responses back to the user, completing the interaction. And then the cycle starts again. The user can then give more input to the chatbot. So in conclusion, this project demonstrates the potential of AI to support mental health by combining the sentiment analysis, conversational AI, and CBT principles. The chatbot provides tailored emotional support to users. Future improvements could include fine-grained emotion detection, so more specific emotions such as happiness, joyness, anger, dynamic CBT strategy generation, and more safeguards to address some ethical concerns. And while not replaceable for professional therapy, this chatbot can provide valuable supplemental tool for emotional well-being. Now I will give you a demo on how the chatbot works. So as you can see, it returned an emotion, a CBT strategy, and an emotional response. And again, a detective, a negative emotion gave another CBT strategy, and another response. This could be an example of may not really go along with the flow of the conversation, which is one of the things that can be improved. But overall, it does return an emotion, a strategy, and a response. Thank you for your time today.